Mississippi, southeastern Pemiscot, Dyer, southwestern Obion, and southeastern Lake counties. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Eloise, or 7 miles south of Caruthersville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lenox, Ayers, Cat Corner, New Bern, Ridgely, Barfield, Tyler, Locust Grove, Jenkinsville, Caruthersville, Maxey, Elbridge, Bradleytown, Eloise, Jacksonville, Miston, Sandburg, Broadmoor, Sharps Ferry, and Middle City. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Obion, Tennessee. A tornado warning